Here we are at Bilstein's booth, and this is Emil, Billy from AirDesign.
Good to see you.
We've worked with you for the last 3 years, and we just finished up in Ford's booth a brand new 2018 F-150. And why don't you tell us about the shocks that we put on it?
Well, so we have this shock here is ride height adjustable, direct fit, and it's a 60 millimeter or 2.5 inch diameter shock. Comes with a matched spring, yeah, it'll level out your car, or you can adjust the purchase if you want to have it sitting the front end at the stock ride height. You can do that, or you can get it that 2.5 inch, depending on application. If things goes 1.75 to 2.5 inches of lift, and that'll level out your car.
So what makes Bilstein so good? Because I mean, all the cars that we've done for SEMA, your shocks on them, they all ride better than all the other ones I ride in.
Well, we do spend a lot of time on each single car, so we don't take a Ford F-150 and make a shock for that one and then just make it fit for a Toyota Tundra. We actually take the time and get the shocks on each model, and yeah, it takes some time, but we always end up having people being really happy with the product.
Well, Mill, we had a great year. We won another design award with help from you, and we'll see you next SEMA.
Oh yeah,
thanks for all your help.
See you. Yeah, thank you.